Hey guys, it's Ashley from the Haircut Box. I am fully aware that giving a toddler a haircut can be somewhat tricky and stressful. Watch this video. I give you tons of tips and tricks and show you how I cut my little toddler's hair. At the end of the video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. My little guy Jet, he is 21 months. This is going to be a real life tutorial how a haircut actually goes with a little toddler. Nope. We've got the phone set up with dirt bikes. He's got fire hot Cheetos, whatever works, we're just gonna go with it. His hair is really cool, but this is driving me nuts. Start with a number 1, and I'm just going to shave. Look at this. Oh, that's not scary. Oh, do you wanna feel that with your Cheeto hands? Good. Okay. Hold this. Hold that one. Whoa. 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 It's okay. Look at these. Look at these clippers. Look at those clippers. Oh, wait. Can you watch the dirt bikes? Oh. Can you watch the dirt bikes? Where's that dirt bike? Oh, where's that dirt bike? This is also what this brush is for. If they get itchy, use this brush. Okay, look at this. There we go. Oh, there we go. Also use your left hand, try to control their head. Do you want a sucker? I'm going to move my lever down just to add a little bit more. I'm basically going to do like a Euro hawk mullet on him and give him a pretty good tail. Oh, you want to keep watching the video. Get this top really wet. Want to hold that? Oh no. You want to hold this? Oh. So we're going to create a middle guide right down the middle. Where's that dirt bike? Oh. Where's that dirt bike? I'm going to cut it with an angle, so cut these cuts. Okay. Oh, Jones has a sucker for you. There you go, Jones, thank you. So when I'm doing this guide, I want this to be crazy hair. So I'm not going to cut a straight line. I'm going to just cut big, deep V's in this haircut. I'm going to go all the way down the back. I just need it a little bit shorter so it's easier to style, a little bit more manageable. Take the hair off the sucker. I'm going to cut at an angle. Match everything to this first cut. And work extra fast. This is not going well. So I'm just taking all the edges now that I've cut the top length, and we're going to take all the edges. want to keep that a little bit longer, but that is pretty dang cute. Oh, let's get all the hair off. Should we not do any more hair product? Let's not do any more hair product. Say bye-bye.